Hey, this is Steve from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome to HTML5 tutorial number 10. We're just going to do a quick, as quick as I can, practice of lists. As you can see, there's only three different types of elements that we could do here: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. So we're just going to do something really quick, I guess. We're going to do like we're going to have an ordered list, and we're going to have list element. And then we're going to have, and we're going to go down here and close the ordered list. So here we'll say what you need for tutorials. You need knowledge, right? You need a mic. Strong PC, capture card, then we're going to say, editing software. And then we'll say, website or YouTube. And then we're going to close. And then here's where we're going to have a embedded list. So we're going to say my YouTubes. And inside here, we're going to have an unordered list. We have list element. We're gonna say we're gonna say the legit PC, the legit PC tests, and finally legit tech tutorials. Then we're gonna close that unordered list. It's already been closed, so that should, and there you go. So you see right here my YouTubes. So this obviously is probably this is definitely a very good layout for anything that you want to do involving lists. And what would you use lists for? You could do it for something like on your website, have a portfolio that explains all of the projects you worked on in an order or an unordered list. So you could have your resume online and have all those things that so that it would be an online resume. So you just shoot it over to your technology company so they could see it. So oh hey, he's applying for a web design position and he has a website that's designed for his resume, which would be, of course, ideal, right? Or you could have it for instructions or tutorials or whatever on maybe a form-based software, like I say all the time, with HTML5 enabled, and you have all these options with the unordered list and the list elements or the list item. And then, of course, let's go into the last part and embed even further. Let's say definition list, and then close the definition list. And we're going to go into the definition list and say definition term. And then here on the definition term, we're going to want to have in between. We're going to say the legit PC. Then we're going to go close the definition term. Then we're going to go in here definition. We're going to say YouTube dedicated to everything PC. Then we're going to close that definition term. And then definition, sorry. Then we're going to say DT, legit tech tutorials. I'm gonna say YouTube for tutorials on tech, on everything tech. And there you go. There is a definition list. You know, something like you would have, like I said, on your resume or portfolio site. You could have here, you could have these guys here, all these numbers, and then you could define them down here in a definition list with the definition term, which is the DT, and then you have the definition DD, definition, or whatever. And then you have the definition term, and then the DD. So you could have things up here and then define what exactly the specifics are later down the line here on your definition list, and not have to use anything in HTML other than lists. So I mean, it's pretty helpful, and lists is pretty big here. And you know, as you can see here, you can do pretty much anything you want with it. Have numbered or unnumbered, and even change it in the HTML. If, for example, you're using a form and you're posting inside of it, and you don't want to have styles embedded inside your HTML5, you could change it inside there as part of a attribute, and that will get you the look that you want for whatever kind of occasion. So this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and I'd like to thank you for watching my quick little recap or another practice of lists. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like this in this series and series like it. And if you have any questions, email me at LegitTechTutorials@gmail.com. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.